1. Fast charging. Support fast charging and data sync for both side with 9 volts 2A adapter. 2. Stability. Latest technology with overheating protection and reduced cable resistance, solid connectors, longer lifespan than any other magnetic cables. 3. Convenience. Connect automatically with strong magnet and fold up to disconnect. Make charging more interesting, easy to charge in the dark or in the car. Avoid plug and unplug over and over again. Protect charging port. 4. Universal compatibility. Work for micro sub and USB-C smartphones and iProducts such as Samsung Note, S9, S7, iProduces X, 8 Plus, 8, Sony, Google, Nokia, HTC, Moto, LG and more. 5. Service. 12-month and customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Great for a klutz. I was sick and tired of breaking USB ports on my devices. These magnet quick-release cables are a necessity for a bull in a china shop like me. Now the cable breaks away and the hardware does not go flying or get a stressed USB port. I have them on my iPhone, iPad, PS4 controllers, Nintendo Switch controllers, my Bluetooth speakers, my CPAP cleaner USB port. Anything I have with micro USB, USB 2.0 or iPhone standard I use it.